Hello, Francisco here from Revolink. Now I will show you an overview of Revolink and what you can do with it. Once you are in, you could see these three blocks at the top of your dashboard. One, you will see which subscription do you have, then total links on your account, and then total clicks over all your links. Then below we have the section where all your projects are listed. So for instance, we have Revolink project, Francisco project, demo video, and social treats project. From this point, you can create new projects with this green button. Then from these three dots, you can click and delete the whole project. So you need to be careful here. And then we have small stats. And then if you need to start working in the project, you can just click the name and go inside the project, where you can add Biolink pages or shortened links, and then of course use the builder to build an amazing page for your social media. And here you can see stats, uniques, and impressions, and then all project links. In this case, all these are Biolinks. How do you know which are Biolinks or not? For instance, you will see this icon, hash icon. You will understand that these are Biolink. Then you can, from this point, create a Biolink or link. In this case, we will use Biolink. Then you can create your custom alias. So video tutorial, create Biolink page. And from this point onwards, you will arrive in the editor, where you can, we have these two tabs, settings and links. The settings are for the whole page. In that case, you will have the option to include a profile image, where you can see a profile, give me 1 second, profile picture, where you can include for the page. We can update, then refresh the page, and we can see the changes. And then we can change the title, my Biolink page. Then description, this is the description for your visitors. Then we can change the text color as well. For that, usually white stand out better. Then we have background types. We have a presets as well. We can, with one click, change the color presets. Then we have the option for custom gradient, where you can use and decide which colors do you want to use for the background, and you are in control of all of them. So once you pick two colors, you will see the gradient in action. Let me put it, there you go, save. And now we have a nice gradient, custom gradient. Depending on your plan, if you are in a paid subscription, you will be able to put your brand in. For instance, in our case, powered by Revolink. Then you can put the page where you want to redirect people when they click in that link. You are able to integrate your Google Analytics ID. Yes, you put your, as we have an example here, your property. There you go. And even your Facebook pixel for retargeting. So you go to your ads account, copy your Facebook pixel ID, and paste it here. These are the basic settings for the Biolink page. After that, we do the update. We have this ready. We have the link. So in case you want to do this in live, we can click there, and we can see what we have up to this point with the Biolink page. Then we go to the second tab, links, and from this point we can create. By default is always one added, and we can edit. We decide to go, for instance, Revolink, I can put maybe pricing, and then we need the destination URL, so we can use revolink.io, and then pricing, copy the URL, go to my page, and the destination URL is pricing. Then we can change the title for the button, and we can use maybe something appealing, check out our plans. Then we can select an icon. We can use Instagram. Then we have some options for the buttons, the CTA buttons. For instance, we can use outline style. Then we can put the text white, that in the case of gradient backgrounds looks very, very cool. Then we have as well style for the button. We have rounded, round, and straight. And also you can apply animations in case you can bounce, tada, swing, shake, rubber band, pulse, and flash. Then maybe something where you want to like put urgency, and you can apply any of these animations, and then update. And this way we have our first link in the page. We have opened this link in the desktop. Of course, this is not the ideal case where we are going to use it, but you can just check everything right there in the meantime that you are building it. What else we can do? So we have that already. We can refresh the page, go to links. We have one ready. Then we can create a new link. Also, we have already developed a couple of integrations like Twitch, YouTube, SoundCloud, Vimeo, Spotify. So we can go, for instance, with YouTube. We need to include our YouTube URL. So I will go for YouTube, then I will search for Revolink, and we can now include our video there. You do video URL, then go back to my builder, YouTube URL there, add video. And now we have our video part of the page. From our experience, we suggest that always you are with a drag and drop organizing or reorder, put the video first in the page. This is more like wow effect. So after title, description, your video can be there. Then check out our plans, or we can create maybe even since we have a free plan, we can create sign up free page. Register, copy a link, and we can add this new link as edit, and then we can put a name, get your account, get your free forever account, and then we can change the icon. We can use, or maybe user icon. There you go. And then we can change the color, because we are keeping the outline style. And then we can keep order and update. And now we have two CTA buttons for that page. In that case, maybe we want to put the animation in the get your free forever account. So I will go to pricing, edit, and I will remove the animation date. Then I will go back to my get free forever account button, and I will put the animation here. Maybe shake, update. We can go back. Now this is our page. This is how our page will look in desktop. Even in desktop is still quite nice, but of course the main purpose, the main goal is to use it in mobile, as we can see in our live view preview. There you go. So this is how you can start creating your page, doing the initial basic setup as background, title, description, profile image. Then how we can add the first initial links, like we review as well together the styles for the buttons, the animations, etc. that we can do with this. Also the YouTube video, that is the best option, put it here. We can add more than one video if you have more than one special video, but always try to keep it short. My purpose is from this point move people forward to your site, to the specific section like your latest blog post or any other resources or even deals that you have running on your site. This way you from mobile will get people on exactly where you want them to go, and not only to your My website where they can arrive and then trying to find out where to go to buy your stuff. This is the overview, general overview of Revolink, and we are then going in breakdown with every feature and specific tutorial for each.